Yo, 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 it's ODB, our lifestyle podcast. Just wanted to post our final post, or basically kind of give you guys final post of 2020 from OLP. Miggity Mike the Mayor, he's out gallivanting. You know how he does. But check this out, it's a gem. This is going to be short and sweet. We got October 98 cover truck, Ryan Fringlinghaus's Mazda. That was at the 12th annual Cal Truck Jam. So we're going to roll in. We're going to give you a sneak peek of it, okay? Big thanks to Steve Nielsen, of course, back in the day, Ultra Images. This truck appears at the 12th annual Cal Truck Jam, which is in August 98. But here you go. The Kal Koncepts Open House basically was the summer of 98. And we have exclusive video from that event, that open house from Kal Koncepts. Now, big ups to Kal Koncepts. We've told you before, we've had the original cast of characters on, and we've had Lampy on. So, to all of our West Coast peeps out there, all the OGs, Kal Koncepts crew, and everyone out there, thank you guys so much for a successful 2020. We hope that everybody stays on the rise, and keep the pedal stomped in 2021, y'all. We out ya. Peace.
Which one's that one? Oh, that's brand new spring splash issue. This is the truck we're looking at right now. The magazine hadn't even come out on the newsstands yet. Alright. I guess they're redoing this truck. This is like way famous now that they got still got air shocks in the front. They're gonna have to do airbags or something. Hear what Kyle said? Oh man. Not good. Yeah. Yeah, how much is that trailer cost? When you're pulling it? What else was there that was open there? I don't know. Oh, that one from Seven Times. With the graphic. Yeah, the yellow one. He said I lost about 11 points. Hey, you know what? I have to play for tomorrow. Yeah, Jay did that. The green, yeah. Thanks, brother. Hey, no sweat, Well, yeah, it doesn't have to end up a fucking party march in the canal there. Because we got a trophy, he's got a show me. Here's some famous people. Say hi. Hey. He's the famous guy. Not me. You don't fucking hide, Courtney. Courtney's got in trouble all over the world. You guys are going to drive everything from the CDKs. Let me see that. We're see this one? That's orange one. It's just PLN. That's dope. Should make them all stand by it. Oh, there's like a lot of stuff you've seen in magazines in here. A lot of cool stuff in here, huh? Yeah. Worth it. I've seen all this stuff in Vegas. It's part of their displays. no roll fan? All right, here we go.
Get it.
I'll tell you what, next time you guys are going to do a paint job like this one out here and you don't have a roll pan, it's going to get covered, obviously. Just let me know, I'll send you one.
Cool.
This is how good I hope mine will be someday.
That? What about this?
Hey Steve, that's how to remember fucking these Isuzus, the rear axle are disc. Really? I didn't even thought about that. Huh? I never really realized that before. You guys taking this truck yet?
Yeah.
Yeah.